Hello, so welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to continue our discussion about the second coding example in chapter 16. Okay, so in this example, we are going to discuss um, uh, how to use Java collections TreeSet. Okay, for the binary search tree so that we don't need to reinvent from the wheel. So we need to import the tree set. And the same thing here. We are going to use that data file in the first example, the integer data to build the binary search tree, okay? And to use the tree set, you need to create the tree set. This one is an integer one. Okay, after we create the tree, uh, we just get the number from the text file and add it to the tree. Okay, so the add function, just like our binary search trees insert, okay, it will take care of where the item is supposed to be added. And then what we did here is we are going to traverse the tree, okay? So here we use iterator, okay? Why we can do that? Because the tree set implement collection set, sorted set, and navigable set. Yeah, so iterator is supported. So we use the iterator and has next and next to get each of the item out from the tree set, okay? And we can take a look at the output. Now, if you take a look at the output is in ascending order. So like our in order traversing, is that, yeah. And you can also call tree set size first to last to get the size, first item, last item, yeah. Okay. And here, the higher 50, this will give you the lowest number greater than 50. Basically, um, definitely it will be in the right tree. Okay. The next in order. This is will be next in order successor. Okay. And the lower 50, so that will give highest one that's less than. So the not next in order, okay, the immediate previous, okay, previous one, okay, previous maybe the parent, is it? Yeah. Okay, so you can get those information from this tree set structure. You can see, is it 50? Okay, this is just some random number. Okay, you can go ahead to find it. And we can also find using ceiling and floor. Okay, so this will give you not just greater or equal. Okay, it not just greater, it also equal, contain equal. Okay, so it will also give you, but because over here 50 is not in the tree, is it? So it will just output the same as what the previous output is. Okay. And then let's see the headset, what it is. Okay, so that means all the numbers before 55, but not including that headset 55, all the numbers That's before fifth doesn't include, so it will output that. Okay. Same thing for the tail set. It can. So it also can give you the range of the numbers that you are looking for. Okay. And tail set, head set, and the same thing here. If you do want to like here is at after, and this is including or not including, okay, then you can set the flag true or false, okay. You can also give you the range of the number, that, so the number between 55 to 65. You can call subset, okay. If you want to include or not include, then you can set the flag. Yeah, so we can say it's very rich. It provides us a lot of useful methods from the Java collection. And then over here, you can also call the remove, okay? And after that, we can check if the item is removed because there is a contains function. So that's kind of like the search, okay? And we can take a look at the result here. Enter positive, so we can search, suppose 64. Okay? And then let's see. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, 64 is not in the tree, is it? And the output doesn't include 64 anymore. Okay. So that's Java collections tree set. Okay, can do the operations for binary search tree. Yeah, so that's the discussion for this example. In our next lecture, we are going to discuss the last coding example in this chapter. See you.